Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create this bed in Blender. Let's start. We'll use the original cube. Press S then Z to change the size of the cube Z dimension. Press S then X to change the size of the cube X dimension. Press S then Y to change the size of the cube Y dimension. Change the mode to edit mode. Then face select mode. Select the upper face. Press E then S then Y to change the upper face Y dimension. Press E then S and change the shape as shown. Press Shift with D together to make a copy of the upper face. Press P then Selection. This will separate the new face. Change the mode to Object mode. Then select the new face. Change the mode to Edit mode. Press E to change the Z dimension. Press A to select all the shape. Press S and change the size. Right-click and select Subdivide. Change the number of cuts to 10. Right-click and select Subdivide again. Change the number of cuts to 2. Change the mode to Object mode. Go to Add Modifier, then from Generate select Subdivide Surface. Change Levels Viewport to 2. Then apply. Right-click and Silk Shade Smooth. Select the lower shape. Change the mode to Edit Mod. Use E to extrude the face. Use E and S to change the shape. Change the mode to Object mode. Now it's time to create the pillow. Go to Add menu, then Add a plane. Change the mode to Edit mode. Right-click and select Subdivide. Change the number of cuts to 10. Right-click and select Subdivide again. Change the number of cuts to 3. Press E then extrude in Z direction. Press A to select all vertices. Press Ctrl and R together, just to add these sides. Press S and change the dimension. Change the mode to Object mode. Go to Physics Properties, then select Cloth. Go down and change the pressure to 3. Go down and from Field Wheat change the gravity to 0. Play the animation until the pillow reach a suitable shape. Stop the animation. Go to Add Modifier, then apply the Cloth modifier. Go to Edit mode. Press Ctrl and B together. Press E and S and move the mouse to the interior of the pillow. Change the mode to Object mode. Go to Add Modifier and from Generate select Subdivide Surface. Change Levels Viewport to 2. Then apply. Change the size and position of the pillow. Then create a copy of it. select every model in our project, and from Physics Properties, select Collision. Now we'll model the cover. Go to Add Menu and add a plane. Change its position and size. Change the mode to Edit Mode. Right-click and select Subdivide. Change the number of cuts to 10. Right-click and select Subdivide again. Change the number of cuts to 5. Change the mode to Object Mode. Go to Physics Properties and select Collision. Select Cloth and go down to activate the self-collision. Play animation. When the cover reached to a suitable shape, stop the animation. Go to Add Modifier. Apply the Collision Modifier. Apply Cloth Modifier. And from Generate, select Subdivide Surface. Change Levels Viewport to 2. Then select Apply. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. For Material Properties, change all the model's color as shown.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.